Bring clarity to your designs with convenience using the updates to the familiar hatch command. With Hatch, you can add texture to your drawings through patterns, solid fills, and gradient fills. As of AutoCAD 2025, you now have the option to define boundaries of your hatch after initiating the command, no longer having to rely on existing boundaries within the drawing canvas, ensuring hatches fill only the exact space you need. In addition to filling boundaries of newly defined shapes, you can now use open polylines to create hatch textures along paths using a specified width, further extending and streamlining the ability to use hatch to create highlights and improve readability in your drawings.